The long wait for DJI's next-generation lightweight drone is finally over, and the buzz around the DJI Neo 2 has reached fever pitch as major leaks and insider reports confirm that this ultra-compact drone is about to take flight with a series of jaw-dropping upgrades. For months, drone enthusiasts and content creators have been speculating about what DJI would bring next to its ultra-portable lineup. And it looks like the Neo 2 is shaping up to be one of the most feature-rich and beginner-friendly drones the company has ever produced. According to multiple reports, DJI plans to officially unveil the Neo 2 on October 30th, 2025, with pre-orders launching immediately after the announcement. This release is expected to follow the momentum created by the Osmo Mobile 8 and DJI Mic 3 Pro, both of which recently hit the Chinese market. What's particularly exciting is that the Neo 2 keeps its sub-$250 classification, meaning you can fly it almost anywhere without registration in many countries. Yet it comes packed with features previously reserved for much larger drones. The design looks familiar at first glance, but a closer look reveals thoughtful refinements. The propeller guards are now double-layered, boosting both aerodynamic efficiency and safety, especially for indoor flying or close-quarters shooting. DJI seems to have re-engineered airflow pathways for smoother stability and quieter operation, something creators and vloggers will definitely appreciate. But where the Neo 2 truly starts to stand out is in its new omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system. Unlike the original model's limited sensors, this new version integrates multi-directional infrared and optical sensors, giving it far superior environmental awareness. This allows it to detect and avoid walls, furniture, trees, or other objects during both indoor and outdoor flights, making it perfect for beginners and pros who want worry-free control. Some drone analysts, including Jasper Ellens of Drone XL, noted that while the sensors might not reach full LiDAR-level precision, their performance will likely rival that of DJI's higher-end drones in real-world conditions. The back of the drone now sports a refined digital transmission module compatible with DJI's OcuSync 4.0 technology, promising enhanced signal stability and a massive range of up to 10 kilometers. This ensures ultra-low latency when flying in FPV, first-person view mode, using DJI's latest Goggles 3 or RCN3 controller, giving you that cinematic, fully immersive flying experience. Whether you're capturing cinematic landscapes, tight indoor footage, or dynamic sports shots, the Neo 2 seems to hit the perfect balance between portability and capability. When it comes to imaging performance, DJI isn't holding back. The Neo 2's new camera setup features a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor combined with a 2-axis mechanical gimbal, offering much improved stabilization and image quality compared to its predecessor. Capable of recording 4K at 60 frames per second, 10-bit HDR, and D-Log-M color profile, it's built to handle professional-grade workflows right out of the box. DJI reportedly focused heavily on improving the dynamic range, and leaks suggest the Neo 2 can capture up to 13.5 stops, ensuring exceptional detail in both shadows and highlights. This makes it perfect for travel vlogging, action sports, or cinematic aerial storytelling. Creators can expect richer tones, crisper textures, and smoother footage even when flying under challenging lighting conditions. And while there's 22 GB of internal storage, there's still no microSD slot, which might disappoint power users. But for quick social media edits or casual flights, this onboard storage is more than enough. Powering all this innovation is a 1,600 mAh intelligent battery, which DJI claims delivers up to 19 minutes of flight time on a single charge. That might not sound like much at first, but given the size and class of the drone, it's quite impressive. The Neo 2 also features level 5 wind resistance, allowing it to hold its position steadily even in breezy coastal or mountainous environments, and it can reach speeds of up to 16 meters per second. DJI has fine-tuned its flight algorithms to make every movement feel precise and responsive, whether you're gliding smoothly for cinematic shots or performing agile maneuvers in acro mode. Speaking of modes, DJI has packed in a suite of smart flight options, including quick shots, gesture control, voice activation, return to home, and active track, giving users creative flexibility without needing to master complex manual controls. You can capture orbiting shots, dramatic reveals, or dynamic pans with just a tap, letting you focus more on storytelling and less on piloting. Pricing for the Neo 2 lineup seems to follow DJI's classic tiered strategy. The Fly Solo bundle, expected at $229, includes the drone and one battery, ideal for casual flyers. Stepping up, The Creator Combo at $299 adds an extra battery and the new RCN3 controller, providing better ergonomics and real-time telemetry. Then there's the FPV Starter Kit for $399, which comes with 3 batteries, the Motion 3 controller, and the new Goggles 3 adapter, making it the ultimate choice for anyone who wants that first-person thrill of immersive drone flight. Finally, the Fly More Kit at $449 packs in everything: multiple batteries, a charging hub, spare propellers, and a sleek carrying case. A complete ecosystem designed to make sure creators never run out of power or creative options. What's particularly fascinating about the DJI Neo 2 is how it positions itself in the 2025 drone market. DJI seems to be targeting a new generation of users who value ease of use, portability, and intelligent automation, but still want a professional-grade imaging experience. It competes not only with its own Mini 5 Pro, but also with emerging brands experimenting with AI-assisted flight, gesture recognition, and automated cinematic paths. According to insights from tech analysts on GLASP, drone innovation in 2025 is moving toward AI-enhanced environmental awareness and computational video processing, enabling even compact drones to deliver DSLR-like visuals. The Neo 2 embodies this shift perfectly. A small but intelligent device designed for a world where everyone can be a creator. With the rumored launch date of October 30th, anticipation is skyrocketing, and DJI is clearly ready to dominate the conversation once again with a drone that blends creativity, technology, and accessibility into one sleek package. Ultimately, the DJI Neo 2 looks like a major leap forward for both newcomers and professionals who want a drone that's not just fun to fly, but powerful enough to produce cinematic quality results. Between its advanced sensor suite, 4K HDR video capability, OcuSync 4 transmission, and FPV integration, it could redefine what's possible in the ultra-light drone category. DJI isn't just releasing another gadget, it's delivering a statement piece for the future of compact aerial creativity. So whether you're planning to use it for content creation, travel vlogs, or just weekend exploration, the Neo 2 might be the ultimate everyday drone of 2025. Its combination of performance, intelligence, and design makes it one of the most exciting drone releases in years, signaling a new chapter for DJI's innovation story.